For example number 3, it wants us to write some terms of an arithmetic sequence. The information we're given is that the fourth term is 20, the 13th term is 65, and it wants us to write out the first 7 terms of the sequence. Well, we know the fourth term is 20. How can I figure out what the common difference is so I can start writing the other terms? Well, I'm going to use the basic formula again. AN equals A1 or plus N minus 1 times D. And I'm going to do some manipulation about it. Okay? So maybe a little tricky to figure this out. But I know that the 65th term, or the 13th term, is 65. Okay? And this is not an exact plug and chug, so this may not actually make much sense for you. But it's going to be 65, and then the fourth term is 20 plus 9D. Where did I get this from? Well, I know that the 13th term is going to be the fourth term plus 9 common differences. Write that out. If I take the fourth term plus 9 common differences, it'll equal the 13th term. Okay? So the 13th term is 65, the fourth term is 20 plus 9 common differences. So if I subtract 20, I'll get 45 equals 9D. That means the common difference is 5, so divided by 9. So that means the fourth term is 20. That means the third term is 15. Fifth term is 25. Sixth term is 30. Seventh term is 35. Second term is 10. The first term is 5. And now I've written out the first 7 terms of that sequence. Go ahead and see if you can figure out number 35. Number 35 tells you that the 8th term is 26, and the 12th term is 42, and they want the first 8 terms written out. Press pause, see if you can figure it out, and then come back and check to see if you got the answer right. Okay, so your terms should be -2, 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, and 26. If you got that right, great. If not, this is how you would get that answer. So I would set it up where the 12th term, 42, is equal to the 8th term, 26, plus 12 minus 8 is 4 common differences. Subtract 26 from both sides, you get 16 is 4D. Once you divide by 4, you get D is 4. So I knew my 8th term was 26. Term 8, to get the others, I just subtracted 4 each time to get the rest of them.